Hello everybody, this is Les again, and today we're at part 3. Um, and I'm gonna jump right into it. So, today last episode we did collecting score. And this episode we are gonna, I think we're gonna set the time. Yeah, we didn't do that last time, so this episode we're gonna set time. This is really easy. Just type in runtime. And runtime, you just gotta do it minus equals time. It's really that simple. Time, so dot delta time, and delta time basically means time difference, so this is delta time. But now we're gonna need to set runtime to, let's say, 60. I don't know if 1 is a second, but I'm hoping or guessing on it. And if runtime equals, no, is runtime is less than 1, so basically means or just less than 0, doesn't really matter. Then we wanted to go to the got score screen or something, so application, application load level. I didn't did this in a long time, so dot load level, this is it. And then and let's just save that and create the end level. So save scene. It's gonna ask us where I wanna save it, and we're gonna create a new folder or map, and this is going to be scenes just. And let's save it in here. Level 1. Save. See, and then we go create a new scene. And this is going to be save scene as scenes. And okay, now this is end. Now let's blur this out a bit, or how are we gonna say this? Now we're just gonna give it a basic solution. You know, later in this tutorial series we'll start replacing everything with models, with, you know, good high quality models. 20, 60. Now this is just way too big, but just to be sure it's covering the entire screen, we're gonna give it the same. I just want to give it the same color. No, it's just, you know, maybe. Let's just add a light to it and brighten it up a bit. Directional light will be fine. This is good enough. Now we're gonna create a new script. We're gonna call it restart game. And this is, we're just gonna basically make a large button that says restart it. Just restart it. I'm sorry, I have touchscreen screen and there is a fly just flying against the screen, and it's really annoying. It's because the window is open and I can't get the fly out of my room. It's really annoying. Sorry for that. I'm gonna just call it end game, like the new Battlefield DLC. And we're just gonna create, we don't really need start, we also don't need GUI, so update, so I'm gonna just change it into GUI again. And let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's make a giant box, gy.box, and place this in the middle of the screen. So screen dot width. So this will be the width of the screen. The computer will measure the width of the screen, and we need to do this by 2, and then minus let's say minus 150. You know, that seems a little bit. No, 150 seems right. And screen dot width. Dot height. I'm sorry. Dot height. We don't need height. And then by 2, and then minus. I would say 100. Yeah, I think 100 is the right number. And then of course just take 300 in the width and 200. So like that. Now we're just gonna just empty box, close the phrase, and create a giant button gy. No, let's just copy this. Let's save us a lot of trouble, and let's just copy this. And we're gonna create a bottom of it, so make if. So if someone touch the button. So we first need to change this into button. Yes, button is spelled right. Alright, so for instance, we'll just give an error and we just fix it. We are professionals. Let's see, 100. So that means we would have. I only want it to be, so we're gonna let plus plus 70, and the bottom only needs to be we need to be fly again. I'm sorry guys, I'm doing some math now, so my head is like this needs to be 40 on 140, and this needs to be 135, and this needs to be 30 for comfortable 30. Let's just say 75. Okay, this is really nice, and this is gonna be restart. So let's think. We're just gonna reload level 1. I think this should perfectly work. So low level and just reload level 1. I think this will work. I hope it will work. Okay, now the GUI is gonna look really stupid. You will see in just a sec. We can't see anything because we didn't add the script. Let's just add it to the main camera. Okay, now what you can see now is you have this big box, and at the left bottom you have a restart button. Now the reason why I have all this space is here is gonna be the quit button if you want to quit the game, and here will be all the top 10 of high scores or something, so we can see what other players did. So this is alright. Now let's go to our build settings. And let's add current and add level 1. So make sure level 1 is number 0. So yeah. So now level 1 is number 0, and load level 1. Let's save the changes. And now let's play. Oh, if you can see, the time is really short. And for some reason it didn't load the new levels, so this could be an idea why this is, and it's because will let it load string, but I don't think it knows that, so no, increment unidentified. Identify. So this was right. It didn't pass if it less than 1. Oh yeah, and change this to let's say 3060. This will be equal to 1 minute in Unity time. Where's the next cube? Oh yeah, we forgot something. We forgot something pretty big. Just for tutorial purposes, I will change this to 500 or 600. This will still be pretty long time. So actually, for tutorial purposes, we'll let it to 60. But of course, you know, it's gotta be much more to have a nice game. So we did something wrong with score. Once it's collected, it doesn't reset the whereas the new score. So new score needs to be static as well. And we need to score. We need to, before we destroy the game object, it won't really make a difference, but where it's typed, but we now need to reset it. So score manager dot new score, let's copy that and make sure we don't have any time mistakes, equal true. So now it should no, we got something wrong. Score manager. What's done? New score is not a member of score manager. What did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? Score spawner. And I actually typed spawner wrong. A lot of you guys probably already noticed that. Yep. No worries, this is a computer, we fix this in like 0 seconds. Okay, now let's see if that works. If the time will allow us. Oh, crap. Okay, we know the level switching works. Now let's up the score a bit to, let's say, 600. Save that. Start the video. Where's our cube? Okay, we got it. There's another one there. We got that one as well. Where is it? Oh, it's there. Nope. Ah, fuck. So that worked. It respawned again, and whoa. It saved or scored for some reason. That's not right. Don't know why. Oh yeah, of course. Our score is static, so it will save the variable on the RAM memory. So when we load it, we want it to reset itself. And we also want it to reset the score. So we want my score. Let's just copy this. My score, and let's equals 0. So now this will be reset. We also need to respawn new score. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Score manager. let's just open score spawner. And at start, we want it to reset itself automatically. That's why don't we just do that. This should work. Well, I hope this all works, so let's just go ahead and collect some score here. Oh, this game's gonna be trickier than I thought with the high jumping. I got it. Gotcha. For some reason it doesn't, we do get score, but it doesn't. Oh yes, and that worked. So there is a little bit glitching in the score. You see we got score, but we just have 500. Now we got 100. So the score just isn't really correct, but you know, why not? It's working, so let's just keep it that way. Let's just keep it on lock. Let's see. Okay, 60 minutes. So I'm gonna end this video for today. Hope you see you next time. Please subscribe. This really helps me. Bye.